I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Bubble Skincare Starter Kit. First, let's talk about cleansing. Use the Fresh Start Gel Cleanser to wash away dirt and debris. Dispense about 2 to 3 pumps onto your wet fingertips. Gently massage it onto your face in a circular motion for approximately 1 minute. This cleanser is designed to be gentle yet effective, leaving your skin feeling clean and refreshed. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. Then pat your skin dry with a clean towel. You can use this cleanser both morning and night. Next, it's time to tone and treat your skin. After cleansing, grab your Bounce Back Balancing Toner Mist. Hold the bottle 3 to 5 inches from your face and spray for an instant skin reset. This helps balance your skin's pH. For targeted treatment, especially in your evening routine, apply 1 pump of the Super Clear Blemish Prevention Serum to clean, dry skin. This serum contains 2% salicylic acid to help clear clogged pores. Let it absorb for at least 1 minute before moving on. Now, let's lock in that hydration with the Slam Dunk Hydrating Moisturizer. This is a crucial step for nourished, calm, and protected skin. Dispense 1 to 2 pumps of the moisturizer onto your fingertips. Gently massage it evenly across your clean, dry face and neck. This rich, creamy formula is perfect for deeply hydrating your skin without feeling heavy. You can use this moisturizer both in your morning and nighttime routines for consistently soft and supple skin. For the best results with your Bubble Skincare Starter Kit, consistency is key. Make sure to follow these 3 steps: cleanse, tone, and moisturize, twice daily, every morning and evening. If you notice any dryness or irritation from the Super Clear Serum, reduce its application to once a day or every other day. And a very important tip: always finish your morning routine with a broad-spectrum sunscreen to protect your skin from sun damage. Enjoy your journey to healthier, glowing skin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.